This easy boat recipe is called lazy chicken.
Step 1. Find the laziest chicken in the farm and kill it.
We did that by going to the grocery store and getting some frozen chicken. These legs will never run because there's no chicken or feet on them. This recipe is very easy. You take some chicken legs, peppers, onion, some garlic, and then this spice called adobo. This spice is amazing. When I grew up in Puerto Rico, they put this on everything, and it is so good. And the beautiful part is you can find this everywhere. So the reason this is lazy chicken is you take your frozen chicken and you put it in there. The next thing you're going to do is slice up an onion really thinly and then sprinkle them around. If your onion looks disgusting, just give it a deep massage facial and just peel back those ugly layers until you get to a nice, pretty, young-looking onion. There we go. Now that's a pretty onion right there. Ah! The horrors of onion! The next step is to take a pepper, chop it up as well. We got these little tiny peppers because we thought they were really cute when we were at the grocery store.
You can never go wrong by adding garlic.
One thing we learned while we were in Portugal is 1 clove of garlic, which in the States, this is considered 1 clove of garlic. In Portugal, this is 1 clove of garlic. And that is why Portuguese food tastes so good. So just add a lot of garlic. It'll be amazing. Easy way to get your garlic out of its skin. Cut the root. And then you crush it. And then it just all peels off. Now that you have the garlic out of its skin, just chop it up. The last step is adobo. Just sprinkle it on all over the place. Being on a boat, your adobo is probably going to turn into a big rock of deliciousness. If that happens, like in our case, I'm going to pop this lid open, take a clean fork, and make it powdery again. For the veggies, we're going to give them just a smidge, just a little drizzling of olive oil. And that is it. The last step in your lazy chicken, put a lid on it. Oh yeah, you have to put this in an oven. Otherwise, it'll kill you, because it's raw chicken.
You can of course cook this meal in any oven, but what makes this recipe particularly lazy is that we're gonna use our sun oven. That means that you just place it in and wait.
So we have the sun oven aimed and preheating. Now we're gonna add our frozen chicken. We just put it in the sun oven and let it bake for hours. The great part about the sun oven is it's sealed. So that means none of the moisture from the chicken is gonna evaporate out or be boiled out while it's baking and dry out the chicken. So that means that you can put your frozen chicken in there. The sun's gonna thaw it, cook it, and make it delicious. And you do nothing, which is why this is called lazy chicken. So the chicken's been in here for a few hours and we're looking at it and it is falling off the bone. So, it's ready.
Ta-da!
So with lazy chicken, you put it in frozen. The water that was ice in the chicken melts as it thaws and then sits in it to keep it nice and moist. It's like broth, pretty much. And then that with the veggies and...
Time to plate. Oh, it just falls off the bone. Delicious. So lazy chicken is a perfect dish if you've got a lot of stuff to do during the day, but you still want to have a really good meal. You don't have to babysit it, you just leave it for a couple hours, come back to it when you're ready, and it's delicious.
And you hardly have to prepare it. I mean, you literally put in frozen ingredients.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite chicken recipe on your boat? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.